Yeah, also welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to be looking into BTC, and I'm going to be breaking down, dropping some analysis on BTC and gold, and yeah, on gold. Uh, pointing out what I'm actually looking at on the charts. I've been a lot busy these days. That's why I don't be posting that much on YouTube. So yeah, BTC downtrend is still very much active, right? So there's no sign of reversal yet. I shared a couple of updates with my trading team on Soft Edge in the Soft Edge group, which is a group where I share most of my trades. Actually, a paid group, so yeah, I don't know if you want to be part of that. Just join our WhatsApp group, send me a DM, yeah, and get you into the group. Yeah, but that is not the purpose of this video. Is so we are currently in a downtrend on BTC, and for me personally, I don't really see BTC recovering yet. All right. So whatever you do with BTC, you have to just keep selling this babe. All right. While others hold their coin, praying for the bull run. Basically, all you need is just for you to keep selling. All right. Now let's first of all take a look at. I've not really analyzed the charts thoroughly this week. It's just Monday. The trade I actually took today was USDJPY, which we took in our private community. I think that trade somewhere around yeah. So this is the trade, the 1 hour time frame. So we're already taking TP1. We're almost getting to TP2. So this is the trade we actually took today. So I've not really analyzed BTC uh yet, but yeah, let's just analyze it together. So we're gonna start from the higher time frame. Now, one thing I noticed last week, which made me to believe that the push downward is going to continue, is that we did have some levels which we looked out for, but fortunately, price did not get to this level. All right, and the reason for that is that we had what we call a bearish pennant. Now, these are some of the things that I do share with my private community, but yeah, I just decided to make this video and make it go public so that everyone that is watching this could take advantage of it. All right, maybe make some money for themselves. And if you decide to join us, well, fine. Well, if you don't, no issues. Continue with your trading, man. We are good. So if you look at this pattern over here, this is actually a bearish pennant. It's not a flag, it's a pennant. Some people do mistake pennants and flag a lot. So these are the daily time frame. Now, if you are to now what I'm going to show you right now is going to sound a little bit weird, and it's going to look like it is impossible. Trust me, it is not impossible. I'm just trying to be technical as always. Now, if we want to measure the targets of this pennant, sorry guys, if you want to measure the targets of that pennant, it's going to be something like this. Measure the pole. Now I'm gonna be a little bit conservative, alright? So I'm just gonna stop here, then take this over here, take it from the breakouts. You will see that BTC is heading to 47k. This is based on the current pattern that's been printed on the chart, alright? I'm not saying that's gonna happen today or tomorrow, but judging with this pattern, because BTC is one pair that respect patterns a lot. That is something you should note down if you have a trading journal. See respect. You see channel wedges and also flags and pennants. These head and shoulder maybe not that much, but these four patterns BTC respect them very very well. So if we head over to the forward time frame to confirm that this is actually the breakouts, head over to the forward time frame. You'll see that we have this retracement. Now I will consider this a retracement into the pennant, but we already had. Let me just show you what I actually showed my guys in the private group last week. So we already had the retracement actually. All right, so this was the retracement, though we didn't tap the body. But if you look at it over here, if you look at it from this zone, you will see that we went out of the pennants, tapped, went rejected. We took a buy here, which we closed somewhere, I think somewhere around this area. Then this move. For the fact that we've created a breakout structure, a breakout structure outside the pennant, which is this over here. This is a breakout structure. Now we now have points of interest and bearish trend line. So these are the levels where what I'm waiting for this week is for price to retrace to either of this trend line or this area. Or if price is going to go down, I'm still going to then it simply means that this is going to be the new zone that I'm going to be looking out for price. But I don't want to chase this particular move. And the reason I will not want you to trace this chase this move also is that price might come down, take out this low, and aggressively shoot back up to tap into the newly created PO line or tap into any of this trend line, then continue down. So this is basically what I am looking out for. And the trade I'm going to take, I'm also going to be sharing it with my um, the soft edge trading team. So yeah, that's basically all for BTC for now. So BTC is still very bearish. If you're holding your coin and praying for a bull run, well, sorry to bust your bubble. I don't really think that's going to be happening anytime soon. All right. Although after BTC takes out this low over here, maybe we might see price maybe gain some kind of momentum to the upside. But I'm not really sure. But in the meantime, that's basically what I'm looking at. Now let's take a look at gold and see what gold looks like. So gold basically is breaking out of. Let me use another clean chart for you guys. If you love our analysis, guys, make sure to subscribe. Okay, so if you take a look at gold, there's something gold did today. We had these. The reason I love using patterns on a higher time frame is because they give me a kind of clearer perspective on what price is actually doing on the general on a general note. So if you take a look at this pattern over here, you can see that we have this level, then we have price rejecting from this area several times. Then we had this breakout this morning and price moving out of this is what we call an ascending triangle, which is a bullish triangle. Now if you are to measure the targets of this triangle, you're going to get something like this. So let me just as usual be conservative, then measure this particular swing. Normally I should measure this one, but let me just take this one. Now if you take it from the breakouts, you see that gold is actually aiming to take out this high. Now if you want an exact area to, like if you're in a long on gold already and you want an exact area to exit gold, you can use my neckline strategy, which is at this point over here. So this is where you might just want to exit your position, then see um take a look at or you can trail your trades, then take a look at what gold is going to do in this whole level over here, then before you think of maybe adding position or exiting position, whatever you want to do. But this is basically what gold is going to do this week. We've had this breakout, and on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that price has retested that breakout and is now creating an engulfing candle, which is an indication that price is most likely going to continue upwards. And if you take a look at the left over here, you can see that we have this level, all right, and we also have this level over here. So gold is not going to do, it's not going to retrace back until it hits maybe this neckline or any of this level over here. So in the couple of days of this coming, gold is going to continue to go up. So that's basically what I'm looking at this week. So we're just gonna, keep our fingers crossed and see how it's gonna play out. So guys, if you love this analysis or if you have a different analysis, if you believe BTC is going to buy in this week, let me know in the comment section. All right. Take care, guys, and do have a lovely trading week ahead. Bye.